What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, you know what it is. Here to bring another great recipe to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love, checking me out. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with the latest recipe videos, y'all. We get it down here, man. Dope recipes. Let's do it. Alright, so before I start, I'd like to say I'm sorry for being away for so long. I know you haven't seen a video in a minute. I've been busy doing dinner parties, doing different clients, cooking. So now I got some time and I'm back in the lab to bring y'all these videos and keep this thing moving. You feel me? So please forgive me for the hiatus, but I'm back. Let's do it. So on the board you see we're gonna do a turkey roast. All right, so I had bought like a 4-pound turkey roast, boneless, and I put one half away. I wrapped up, packed up one half, kept one half to make for y'all because that's what I was in the mood for. We're gonna hook it up real easy. Also got me some Romanesco cauliflower. Definitely good. If you never had it, try it. Get it from your local farmer's market. If you can't find it, you can use regular cauliflower. And also got me a Garrett sweet potato. All right, real simple meal, man. Gotta do it, right? Let's go. Now, the very first thing you want to do is you want to clean your turkey. Obviously, I cleaned mine. Got it nice and clean, dried it off. You feel me? Nice big piece. This is about 2 pounds because, like I said, it's boneless without the bone. So it's basically like 2 giant breasts. And we're going to season this up, okay? So what you want to do is get some salt and butter. I got me some salt and butter. Next, I want to add some sea salt. So right here, I got me some kosher sea salt. All right, about a teaspoon. Next, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of black pepper. And this is about a 1 stick of butter, y'all, softened stick for like, this is about 2 pounds of meat. Next, add a little bit of garlic powder. Next, some onion powder. And some cayenne pepper. And also a little bit of poultry seasoning. You know, the poultry seasoning got all those herbs and everything in there. So let's add that to it. Boom. Now before I mix all this together, I want to go ahead and add some fresh garlic to it too. So I got me 3 garlic cloves here. All right, that we're going to peel and cut up. All right, once you get your garlic chopped up, all right, go ahead and slide it in. Now we'll go ahead and stir this up together real good. So now, after you got it mixed up, we're going to massage it, get it all up in the meat, under the skin. We're going to do the whole roast. After you're done rubbing your roast up, go ahead and get out a little roasting pan, like I got one, with a little rack. Sit the roast in the rack, heat your oven up to 350. Okay, we're gonna put this in there for an hour. So while those flavors are infusing, while the oven heats up, once it's 350, get it in for an hour. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna start our sweet potato. I'm gonna start by peeling it. All right. After it's peeled, now I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in big chunks. You can cut yours in the smaller chunks, however size you want. I want big chunks, so I'm gonna cut mine in like nice big chunks. All right. All right. These the chunks I like, the size I like. Like I said, you can chop yours down smaller. Once you get them chopped, put them in a bowl, set them to the side. All right. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and get a pot, fill it up with some water. It's about 8 cups of water. you know, just enough for however many potatoes that you're cooking. And we want to make like our little sauce and our sweet potatoes to be in first. So I'm going to add about a half a stick of butter to this. Okay. I'm also going to add some cinnamon, maybe about a couple tablespoons. I really love the cinnamon flow. Also, I want to do about a teaspoon of nutmeg. Also, I'm going to do about a couple tablespoons of maple syrup. Also, I'm going to add in a couple tablespoons of brown sugar. Alright. And about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just stir this all together. And I got it on like a medium heat, so I just want to bring it to a little boil, let the butter melt, get everything incorporated in. Also, you guys, I almost forgot, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, maybe a couple teaspoons of salt, okay, to my sauce. Alright, once the butter is nearly melted, you want to go ahead and drop your sweet potatoes in. Be careful, the liquid is hot. I don't want it to splash on you. After that, you want to go ahead and turn it up to high. Okay, you want to bring it to a boil and want to just cook it on high for about 10-15 minutes. Then you want to go down to turn it down to medium. Okay, put a top on it and just let it flow. Okay. And let it settle. This will probably take the same amount of time it'll take for our roast to come out the oven. Okay, about 40 minutes or so for this. Okay, all right. You see how it's flowing right now? So I let it flow like this for 15 minutes. Now I want to turn it down to a medium. All right. I'm going to put a cover on it and just let it simmer away until it gets nice and soft. The sauce infuses with the potatoes, and smelling good right now, man. All right, so we'll come back when we check our turkeys. Almost done. Check our potatoes. We'll start the Romanesco basically when the turkey is done, because we want to have the temperature a little bit higher. Okay, so while the turkey is resting, we'll do our Romanesco. It takes no time at all, y'all. Let's do it. Okay, man, we back checking on the potatoes. Oh yeah, look at that. Definitely coming together. Most of the liquid then reduced, making the sauce a little thick. Okay, I'm talking about, man. So let's check our. Your turkey should be about done now. I'm about to pull mine out. All right, bring this down. Oh yeah, turkey's out, looking good. Got my temper. Let me see the temp on this. It went around 165. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect, y'all. Now we're gonna let that rest. Maybe even use the drippings to make a little smooth gravy. All right. So before we get onto the Romanesco, I'm gonna go ahead and make a real quick gravy out these drippings. I'm gonna add some butter to this. Okay, turn it up. And then just start to get all this fine off the bottom. Right, it's hot. Okay. Okay, we're gonna get all those drippings off the bottom. Next, I'm going to add some flour, a little bit of flour. Okay. Start to get that incorporated in. And you just want to, cook the flour off. Get your roux flowing real smooth. Okay, like I got mine. Now I want to add some chicken stock. Okay, slowly get that incorporated in. Alright. Once I had got my gravy coming together a little bit, I transferred it into another pot just to make it easier to stir, you know, sliding on me. So here we go. Now it's coming together. Okay. We'll go ahead and add a little bit of poultry seasoning. Onion powder. A pinch of salt. And some pepper. And there we go. A real quick gravy. Done. Alright. Now get your Romanesco. Alright. I'm basically just gonna, you know, take the leaves off. Okay. I'm gonna cut this bottom piece off. Alright. And then I'm just gonna start breaking it down into florets like so. Okay. Start breaking it down into florets. Okay, now got my florets apart in a bowl. I'll go ahead and take some olive oil. Go. Pour them all over that. Also some salt. Pepper. And a little bit of fresh lemon juice, okay? Now I'm gonna just coat these up real nice. Real good. So our pieces are coated, seasoned. Next, you want to get them on a baking sheet. You want to go ahead and boost your oven up to 400 from the 350 that it was on. Okay, and we're going to slide this in for 20 minutes. Boom, and there we go. Romanesco's looking real good, nice and roasted, smelling good. We're done, y'all. Now we're about to get this plated on up, man. We got our turkey on the side ready to get cut. Potatoes is just simmering, chilling. Gravy, real quick meal. Let's go. Okay, turkey's been resting. Now I want to cut a couple slices. See where we at, y'all. Oh yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh, it's still, I don't know if you can see it. It's still juicy. Oh yeah, y'all. That's what we want. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, still juicy, still got the juices flowing. Oh yeah. That's what we want to do, man. Boom! Now that I got it sliced up, oh my god, this is so juicy. The juice was flowing, if y'all can see that. Oh yeah. Now we're ready to get this thing plated up, man, so we can get out of here. Let's do it! And there we have it, plated on up, man. We got our roasted Romanesco, sweet potatoes, turkey and gravy. Turkey's is perfect, man. So I'm talking about that. Easy meal, man. Y'all got to try this at home. You dig? So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, man, so y'all can stay up to date with these videos, man. Comment, man. Let me know what y'all want me to try. Try this. Let me know what how y'all made yours. You know, just holla at me. I'm here. I'm back. About to keep this flowing. Holla.